Hello everyone. So if you want to insert a SIM card into Vivo X80 Pro, first of all, we need our SIM injecting tool, which goes into a box with the device, of course, and our SIM card, right? So grab your SIM injecting tool, find your SIM tray on your phone. It can be anywhere, it depends on the model. On this one, it's here, right at the bottom. Grab your SIM tool and find a hole into the SIM tray. Enter it. And now softly take it out. Just like that, as you see. Now, let's grab our SIM card and insert it into our SIM tray. Make sure to insert it right, so let's check out the shape. Okay, we have to do it this way. And also make sure that the contacts are facing top, right? So now, grab your phone and let's put back our SIM tray with our SIM card. And basically that's it. Now, as you see, our phone has detected it already. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.